Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
Guys, the march is on the 19th of May. The May was not playing with anyone, because, enough is enough. It's like, bona, their voices are not heard. I'm just like, abantu abanjani laba bathengwa ngamali labantu ukuthiwa baqibe yonke lento kaSenzo Meyiwa. Just like it's not even going to work. uSifiso Meyiwa is just like, no, watch. Kuyiwa Union Buildings, guys. Akudlalwa. If you are available, just go there. Some of us, we want to go, but at the same time, we want to get 9 to 5 ngapi la video for YouTube channels, ngapi logo. But I've always supported umkhaya wami, uSenzo Meyiwa. I will never not support him. When we know very well ukuthi sidlalela abantu beqambela amanga. Bangakanani abantu that have actually been unalived and passed on this case. Abanye bayapoisonwa, abanye benziwani. On Kabinde inquiry, you saw the video, I put it about 2 weeks ago, where I was talking about ukuthi, where a guy actually was explaining there ukuthi the subs-employee uMakhubo that was one of the first people that came actually at Makhubalo's house. Bamtshela nje straight ukuthi baba uma ubuzoba busy no 375 of the people that were in the house, Kelly Khumalo and them and her entourage, who are good as gone in this world. So sicela nje ufale nomlomo wakho nilini nade bemenza izinto. Remember, I've explained so many times ukuthi bake bangena endlini yakhe, kukhona ingane yakhe kuphela, bakhahlela umnyango, bahlifiza umnyango, and then they left. They've done so many threats, they've done just about anything and everything. Lalela standaba na those things don't matter, but uSenzo Meyiwa did matter. So nje the Meyiwa was just like, no, whatever, do what you need to do. And remind you, bazobiza nemarch and march. It's going to be hectic. It's going to be hectic. People are going to be arrested. And it's about the bantu asifuna blows repeat amagama abantu ukuthi obatafanele baboshwe. Ubrigadier Kininda big the main person anyways. Nobaloyi entourage yakhe. Akuyiwe impela Union Building abantu bezoke baqedwe amanga. No one is above the law. Ubrigadier Kininda, in fact, subs uyintuthane. Nabo sinona nama substances ababawantshontsha, that cargo that they stole in KZN. Uzoboshwa. It's as simple as that. Esidlala abantu. And uSifiso Meyiwa is just busy with Rata, guys. This is also my thing. Rata must just stay at home, guys. Retire. The stuff that he does there and says in that court is like crazy in another level. Yeah, I don't even know how do you involve yourself in such crap at 80 years old. How do you even get off instead of retiring? Bazokufaka intweni yamange into engekho right. When you must just retire well, uhlalele endlini kahle and do your gardening with your wife and leave us alone. Like, honestly, how did Rata agree to this, smart guys? It's strong. Yes, guys, Umkhwanazi is coming for Rata. For Baloyi, Brigadier Kininda and his entourage yabaza ngithi uMokgane abafunana no 5,000 from Uzondo. Hey, those people. And it's crazy how I've been saying it. You know what? Their day will come. Yeah, guys. How does that happen? In court, wasting our tax money.
Ngibona igama lami uSifiso Meyiwa, ubhuti kaSenzo Meyiwa. Siyacela ukuthi iSouth Africa yonke, umphakathi waseNingizimu Afrika, bonke abangakwazi ukuthi basupporte babe nathi mhla 19 kuMeyi sizobe siye e-Union Buildings ePretoria ngo-10 la sohlangana khona sihambise memorandum mayelana nezikhalazo yecala likaSenzo eselithatha isikhathi eside lingasolveki ngoba lokho kwenzakalayo lapha ecourt akulona icala laSenzo lento yenziwa lapha ecourt. Siyokhalaza ngoba manje sikhulumile no NPA sakhuluma no Minister of Police, sathumela futhi incwadi no Chief Justice, but abakaze basiphendula. Bavele ba decide ukusiziba bangasiphendula. So manje sithi asiye la abaphethwe khona, la inqumo ithathwa khona, ukuze sireporte khona, ngoba manje siyabona ukuthi kuthulekile, asikwazi ukuthula sibuka kuboshwa abantu abangenzanga icala, sibe sibazi abantu abalenzile icala. Siyodimanda ukuthi kwenziwe ubulungiswa, kwenziwe into okuyiyona. Labantu abase-court njengamanje abazi ukuthi kuleli cala. Sifuna the right people to be arrested. Kuyisifiso sethu ukuthi futhi our NDPP ayifundi docket, because I've noticed ukuthi akana information ngaleli cala. Siyafisa ukuthi afunde indictment kuleli cala leli case 636, uzobona naye ukuthi le nto enzeka lapha ecourt ihluke kakhulu nalento ebhalwe kwi-indictment mayelana nalo case 636 lo se-court manje. Singajabula kakhulu ukuthi abantu base-South Africa baseseke, sibe khona sonke ukuhambisa lezi ikhalazo nalento yenziwa ijaji. Ebuhlungu kakhulu ukubona ijaji lithatha iy'nqumo singakaze siyibone zithathwa amajaji, izinto engavumelekile kodwa zenziwe zivumeleke kule court. Ziningi izinto ezenziwa lapha e-court engekho emthethweni, kodwa kule court ekhona kuleli cala zithathwa njengento enormal nje. Hayi, sekwanele manje.
Sanibonani emsebenzisi bafowethu, njengoba sike sakhuluma indaba yemarch ezoba ngomhla ka-19 May ngolwesibili. Imarch sesinqumile ukuthi izoba sePitoli e-Union Buildings ngolwesibili ngomhla ka-19 May 2026. Njengoba namhlanje kumhla ka-5 ngalo lwesibili lomhla ka-19, simema wonke umuntu ozokwazi ukusuka la kakhona aye ePitoli eGauteng. Simema wonke umuntu noma ngabe use Cape Town, KZN, Mpumalanga, North West, Limpopo, Free State, Northern Cape, Eastern Cape. Simema wonke umuntu ongakwazi kusuka aye khona. Lapha ya ikhalo zethu sihambise kupresident ngqo. Aziziningi ikhalo esifunayo. Sifuna upresident ngomlomo wakhe athathe udocket 375 awunikeza ama-Hawks noma awunikeza uGeneral Mkhwanazi namanye ama-docket awu-2 okuyiwona avulwa uSifiso Meyiwa evulela lamaphoyisa aphazamisa ukusebenza kwengalo yomthetho. Kukhona kabanye abathi mabekhuluma la kuma-social media bethi bakhulunywa ngendaba yemarch, i-Justice for Senzo Meyiwa and all of that. Bekhuluma indaba ukuthi umndeni kaSenzo Meyiwa awuhambisani, umndeni kaSenzo Meyiwa kufanele empeleni awungene kulento, umndeni kaSenzo Meyiwa uvuselwa amanxeba. Awekho amanxeba avuselwa umndeni kaSenzo Meyiwa ngoba awukazi uphole, uzobukho. In fact siphekezele wona. The mother of Senzo Meyiwa will be there, the daughters uSenzo Meyiwa uneyingane eseyikhulile zizobe zikhona, siphekezele zona. So siyafisa ukuthi wonke umuntu ongaba nesikhathi nongakwazi ukuthatha incwadi emsebenzini, ikakhulukazi abasePitoli ngoba abaseGauteng ngoba kuseduze kakhulu, siyayicela isupport yenu. Noma singaba bangakike labo nje abakwazi ukufika, as long as thina kukhona umndeni kaMeyiwa kuyona suphekezele, sithi asithathe le march sibeke khona ePitoli kulaba okufanele bebo zonke igangi lezi ezenza icala likaSenzo Meyiwa ukuthi namanje libe nje sisePitoli. We know all of them. Into esiyeleke laphana ePitoli iyodwa. Before silethe ikhalazo zethu zikhona insizwa nezintokazi okuyiyona ezisibhalela phansi indaba yama grievances and all of that. Kodwa ngaphambi ukuthi sisubmit ikhalazo zethu kupresident, sifuna ukutshena umhlaba wonke ukuthi uSenzo Meyiwa washona kanjani. Sifuna ukutshena umhlaba ukuthi njengoba uSenzo Meyiwa abulawa yi-38 kodwa enkantolo nencwadi kaDokotela iveza ukuthi uSenzo Meyiwa wadutshulwa yi9 mm. Sifuna ukutshela abantu ukuthi leyo nto yenzeka kanjani. Sifuna ukutshela abantu ukuthi ubani wafika kwi-crime scene wathatha isibhamu okuyibusona esadubula uSenzo Meyiwa washiya isibhamu washiya inhlavu yesibhamu engazange yenze lutho. Sifuna ukutshela abantu ngayo yonke leyo nto leyo. Okuhleke ukuthi akekho umuntu osesikhundleni esiphezulu emaphoyiseni na uhulumeni nje wonke akekho umuntu ongazi ukuthi uSenzo Meyiwa icala lakhe ligcotshwa kanjani ngenyawo. Leyo nto bayenza nje ngokukhulu ukudelela nangokukhulu ukungawulandela umthetho. Akekho ngazi. In 2016 in the police portfolio committee in parliament, General Phahlane stated and told the members of parliament that the crime scene of the Senzo Meyiwa murder case, the crime scene was compromised. But akekho umuntu olandela leyo ukuthi who compromised the crime scene. Izolo lokhu kuyimadlanga kwi-ad committee uGeneral Msikili kade ekhuluma nemember yeparlament ye-EFF eyitshela ukuthi umuntu ophazamisa i-crime scene uyaboshwa. Now that we know ukuthi umuntu ophazamisa i-crime scene uyaboshwa, uGeneral Phahlane mayithi i-crime scene kaSenzo Meyiwa was compromised. So uma amaphoyisa ngempela efuna ukusebenza udaba lakaSenzo Meyiwa, the investigators, the leading investigators kulento ebizwa nge-cold case kule nonsense ebizwa nge-cold case unit okuyiyona ephethe icala likaSenzo, yindaba bengayi kuGeneral Phahlane bewubuza ukuthi General Phahlane ubani lo owacompromise i-crime scene kaSenzo Meyiwa simbobe. But they don't want to go that route. Secondly, kwinkabinde enkhayana kunephoyisa kade liveza manje lithi lona batshenwa warrant officer Makhubo ukuthi warrant officer Makhubo watshelwa emehlweni ukuthi umeke wasondela ku docket 375 ufana he is as good as dead one. But abantu abafuna ukulandela lonke leyo nto. Ngicela ukunitshena nakho okunye olunye udaba esizolilandela nganza kwethu. Angithi niyazi ukuthi kuleli cala kaSenzo Meyiwa sekufe more than 18 wabantu befa. Ngeke ngibabale bonke kodwa ngifuna ukubala nje labafana ababili mawukuthi niyalandela icala lika Meyiwa. Kunabafana ababili ababese emgwaqeni eFosloras ngo2014 ngesikhathi uSenzo Meyiwa shona. Labo bafana babili babeyimele ngakuba ngithi ngakubo phela. Ngesikhathi kuqhuma isibhamu kwenzeka lento eyenzeka, labo bafana bathathwa labo bafana befuna ukuyofaka ubhaliso istatement. Bathi abafana zikho igebengu ezangena babonile banqaba labo bafana ukuthi bevuma inonsense yokuthi ngezigebengu ezangena. Banqaba lokho. Oyedwa wadutshulwa labo bafana, oyedwa wadlisa upoison. So lokho sesikuphethe bonke lobo bufakazi. That is why we are going straight to the president ngoba siphethe ubufakazi bonke. Abanye ke bacabanga ukuthi siyahlanya, sifuna udumo ngokufaka omunye umuntu. Abanye bayibesho njalo la ku Facebook na ku social media. Asinandaba nabo. Thina siphethe ubufakazi okuhle futhi okunye ukuthi senibonele kumadlanga commission ukuthi amaphoyisa ethu azigebengu kangakanani. Abaphathi bamaphoyisa senibonele ukuthi bayizigebengu kangakanani. Kodwa ke ngaphambi kokuthi beboshwe sifuna ukuthi kuqale kulungise lento kaSenzo Meyiwa. So we are inviting even them to come to the march. If they want to kill us, they must come and kill us. Sizobe singenamuntu, asinama body card asinalutho, asinazo ngisho imoto. Well ke azobe khona amaphoyisa azobe egada imarch. Kodwa nje thina sigado. If they want to come and shoot us, we are still inviting them to come. Siyacela abafuthi niphume ngobuningi benu, sizobe sikho. Thina nje siyakhukhula manje. Sibheke khona eGoli, siyohlalela ngakhona, siyolungisa ezinye izinto ezobe ithinta unimash. Kodwa nje kwabazokhona ukuphumelela ngomhla ka19 kuzobe kungesibili. Asiye lapha ePitoli. Asisabulutho, asinikele thina ngemizimba yethu. Uma befuna ukusibulala besibulala ukuthi sifuna ubulungiswa for uSenzo Meyiwa ngoba sebe ngaphezulu kuka even uadvocate Mngomezulu is one of the people ofele ukuthi ufuna ubulungiswa ngecala likaSenzo Meyiwa. Ngiyazi ukuthi abaningi benu bazi ukuthi advocate Mngomezulu wavele washona nje ngoba wayegula. That is not true. Advocate Mngomezulu was killed ngenxa ukuthi ufuna ubulungiswa ecala likaSenzo Meyiwa. Nathi sifuna ubulungiswa, we are free to be killed if kufanele kube kanjalo. Kodwa ke siyacela ukuthi ni share le video ni comment, ni share, ni thumelele nakwezinye indawo, ni share le information ukuthi ngomhla ka19 asiphelele nePitoli. Sithe asise ePitoli umengameli eUnion Buildings la khona angithi umengameli wethu usanda kuthatha elinye icala kulamazwe amabili phakathi kweIsrael nePalestine. Usanda kuthatha elinye icala usanda kuthatha elilodwa lawo mazwi walisa kwi-International Court ekhala ngokuthi alibenzi ubulungiswa ngoba ekwazi ukwenza leyo nto akakwazi ukuhlulwa yicala lasekhaya esikhalaza ngalo akakwazi ukuhlulwa icala lasekhaya. Siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu